Hello everyone, it's Ozgun here. Welcome to the channel. So recently I shoot a start to finish Melodic tutorial, and in that tutorial I use my new vocal chain. It makes the vocal mixing so easy, like maybe less than a minute. You can get your vocals done and ready to use in your track. So in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how this patch works, and you can be able to download it for free. If you're ready, let's jump to that video. So guys, this is the patch, this is the vocal chain. So actually I had an earlier version. It was called Vocal FX Chain. I already shared this video, I think last year. It had only reverb, delay and chorus modules. So I decided to upgrade it for my productions, and I've been using it for a while. So I decided to share it with you. And as you see, we have a perfect interface. Thanks to Barish. I really appreciate you, bro. So he just made this amazing interface. So I'm really appreciating his work. It looks perfect compared to my old version. So anyway, let's dive into the patch, and I'm gonna just show you how this patch works. So I loaded the vocals in a mixer channel, and I just put the patch. So the vocal sounds like that without anything.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running.
And with the patch, it sounds like that.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running. Just keep running.
As you see guys, it's like a cheat code. Most of the cases you won't even need to tweak anything. You can just smash this plugin on the vocal channel and vocal mixing is done. So let me quickly tell you which module of the patch doing what. So we got a reverb module in here, which is very self-explanatory. This is the amount of the reverb you're pushing, driving to the vocals. But at the same time, we have a sidechain knob. If this knob in the top, there won't be any sidechain. The reverb is gonna just take place. Maybe before that, I can just, make default everything. So we can talk about it one by one. So yeah, the reverb is gonna work like that.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone.
So if you want to have a sidechain reverb, when the vocal sings, if you want the reverb to get lower in the volume, you can just activate the sidechain knob. More you push, more sidechain you will get.
Let your worries go. Never feel. Let your worries go.
So always find your sweet spot. It's gonna be different because every time you change the plugin with different amounts of signal, the sidechain knob needs to be tweaked a little bit to find the sweet spot. And we got a delay module, which is kind of same with the reverb.
Let your worries go. Never feel.
If you want sidechain, just back the knob to the bottom.
Let your worries go.
And most of the cases, when I put delay to my vocals, the delay fights with the vocal, right? So I have a cutoff knob in here. If you lower the cutoff, it's gonna get rid of the high frequencies, so you can hide the delay back of your mix.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running.
So it works like that as well. And we got a chorus knob. So all of them is working like a sand, by the way. You will still have the dry vocal, but it will just fit with the sand channels inside of it.
Let your worries go.
If you want to make your vocals more wide, more, spread, you can just activate the chorus.
Let your worries go.
Yeah, those are the modules from the first version of the plugin. Now we got EQ section. You can just low cut your vocals. It's gonna be, for a male vocal, you don't need to go full because it's gonna be so thin. But for female vocals, you can go all the way up.
Let your worries go.
It's just cutting the low frequencies. And in here, I just got 3 of different frequencies to boost or reduce. So if you think the vocals are so thin, you can boost the body.
Let your worries go.
Or just the opposite.
Let your worries go.
If you want more clarity, we have this knob.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone.
Or if you want air, more high frequencies, we have this knob.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep.
So the next section, this two knob, is kind of experimental. So you should use it like that. When the dB knob on flat in the 12 o'clock position, it's not doing anything. So there's a frequency knob, right? You just need to push the dB and search for a resonating frequency.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running. Let you feel.
Let's loop here.
Feel alone. Feel alone. Feel alone. Feel alone. Feel alone. Feel alone. Feel alone.
We find the resonating frequency. This frequency is not pleasant. This vocal was very clean, by the way. Sometimes you maybe get no results, but sometimes it can be resonating as hell. So once you find the frequency, now you can just dip it.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running.
Yeah, it's like a very, surgical, sharp EQ band. You just need to find the frequency and dip those bands. So these two knobs of EQ section works like that. And we have a de-esser module. In here, you can just tweak the frequency, find the S's, the siblings, the unpleasant, harsh upper frequencies. And then with the range knob, you can just dip it. If the range is on 0, the de-esser not gonna work. If you put the range to the maximum, de-esser gonna work, too much. It's gonna just duck too much. So this range knob is like how much gain reduction you want for the unpleasant, harsh frequencies.
Let you
Check the chew.
let you
You see, it's just ducking just like a multiband.
let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running. Just keep running.
Yeah, it works like that. And also we got a drive module. Sometimes I like to give some drive, distortion to my vocals. This is again a sand. It's not going to affect your original vocals, so it's going to sound so cool.
Just keep running.
It's perfect.
Just keep running.
Just, use it a little bit to get the taste.
Just keep running.
And finally, we got compression. This is affecting the whole chain. It's for gluing whatever you did to the chain. So let me just give chorus, delay, reverb, everything we have.
Just keep running.
And let me push some compression.
Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running. Just keep running. Let your worries go. Never feel alone. Just keep running. Just keep running. Just keep running.
So once you understand how it works, you're probably gonna finish your vocal processing like under a minute. So I'm gonna put the download link below. You can freely use it on your productions. And if you do, if you like this plugin, if you like my effort, if you like Barış's effort, please give a like and comment, or if you can, please share this video to support the channel. So today that was it, guys. I hope you can use this plugin on your productions and get good results. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.